What's going on, guys? This is Mike G, of course. Welcome back to the page. We have a special unboxing. Very excited to bring it to you. So let's get right into it. But first, we have some shoe news. I hope you guys are staying safe during this lockdown. Of course, it is affecting a bunch of things, including the release dates of sneakers. So the Dior's, we have no news on the release date so far. They were supposed to release in April this year. So we're all looking forward and stuck to see how that turns out. Next, we have the Flint 13s. They are rescheduled to release May 30th. We're all excited for those. They're supposed to be part of the True to OG pack, and that is all the releases this year are supposed to be closest to their original form. So that's the coolest thing about it, and you know, we're excited to see that. Speaking of which, we have the Fire Red 5s that just came out, and those are great. We have the Metallic pack. The Metallic 4s were originally scheduled to release across a couple dates. They have all been rescheduled to release May 20th. So if you're excited for those, be sure to look out. Also, the Heat, we have the Royal Toe 1s. Make sure you go get those. You know, I'm excited to get them myself, of course. All right, before we get to the DMP 6s, we have a special guest challenger. As we said, the Fire Red 5 released recently, but these are Fire Red 5s, but not the ones that just released. These are the Golf Fire Red 5s. So I got these because I've never played golf a day in my life, and I figured this would be some motivation. Shout out to Michael Jordan, you feel me? The Last Dance documentary, of course, going crazy. To have the good spikes on the bottom, real nice. I like the translucent bottom, you feel me? It's the hard bottom. It's not something you could see on a regular shoe, so it's a really cool thing to have. The Jordan 5 Low Fire Red golf shoe. Here we have it, the DMP 6s, originally released January 2006. So here we have it, the DMP 6. This looks really good. Of course, I love the black and gold. As always, it's just a classic thing. You can hardly go wrong with it, but this is very stand-out-ish. I like the nice metallic back tab. Of course, hanging dog tag is great. The nice Jumpman in gold, and the Jumpman with the 23 on it. Really cool. So this, the DMP 6 was the 6 was the silhouette that Michael Jordan wore in the 91 championships when he won his first ring, and this shoe was made to commemorate that occasion. So, you know, originally released in the DMP pack, of course, with the 11s. But this is my first time actually holding these, seeing these, and this is a moment for me, a defining moment for me, so to say. You know what I'm saying? I'm very excited to have these. You guys have these, let me know what you think about them. Of course, like, comment, subscribe in the comments, smash the like button for the 6.